Replacement switch for above floor and through frame slides. Exact match component. Easy, DIY installation. Full switch assembly included. 5-prong connection. Available in black, white, or almond. Nobody wants to sit at home, missing a fun weekend of camping, because their RV equipment isn't functioning like it should. That's why at Lippert, we help you take the guesswork out of replacement parts by providing direct replacement components that will get your rig up and running like usual. Our replacement switch assembly will help you get your RVs above floor or through frame slide out back in business. As an exact match part, this switch assembly installs just like your original equipment with no assembly required. This switch will allow you to extend and retract your slide out with a push of a button. The new style switch configuration was installed in Lippert slide-out mechanisms after May of 2006. In order to figure out what switch assembly to order, look at the switch configuration on your harness. Replacement white switch and bezel also available on their own. This is a replacement, 5-terminal switch assembly for various above-floor and through-frame RV slide-outs manufactured after May 2006. Please reference your owner's manual before purchase to ensure compatibility. Whether you're on the road or on the water, Lippert supplies a broad array of premium RV, towing, and marine products designed to enhance all of your recreational pursuits. Our team is committed to always thinking about your next journey, pushing the possibilities of our products and services, all to better your time spent outdoors, whenever, wherever, for years to come. Top reviews from the United States. Modified old Kwikee switch works great. Had to modify old Winnebago Kwikee switch that's discontinued and overcomplicated, much cheaper option and works great.